What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on SAY because this coin is currently pumping again, and right now we are forming here pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. If you are interested about the exact entry that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you would hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on the 1 hour chart. You can see that right now we are forming here this big rising wedge, and also right now we are testing this resistance of this rising wedge. So we have here, let's say, few opportunities to open a trading positions. The first one definitely is a short trade. So once there will be like a fake out, then resistance confirmation, then you can open here a short trade. The exact trade I will describe later. Another possible trading setup will be valid after a breakout but support confirmation, and in that case you can open here a long position. Other possible scenarios will be valid if we will, for example, test the support of this rising wedge, but I will talk about it later in this video. So let's start with the short position. You can see that right now the RSI is currently really overvalued because we are on the level approximately like 83.53. So if there will be that breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation, then I think that there can be a pretty good opportunity for opening a short trade. Stop loss in that case you can put above the high that we will create during fake out. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, something like this and then resistance confirmation, you need to put the stop loss above the high that we will create. I hope it's understandable. And the last take profit target you can put either above the support of this rising wedge, because well, you can see we are forming here this formation for some time now, or you can put it above this bullish order block, because there is pretty high probability that we are actually gonna go test the liquidity to this order block, which is between level 0.446 and 0.434. So in this case, you are having your risk reward ratio like 4.89, which is in my opinion pretty good for a short trade on the 1 hour time frame. So definitely, if this condition of like breakout, fake out, and resistance confirmation is met, then I will be really thinking about opening a short trade here. The long position setup here is slightly more challenging because right now we are on the all-time high. So if there will be like a breakout and support confirmation, then we are in the price discovery phase. So in the price discovery phase, the coins are usually pumping really heavily, and it's also like really hard to set proper take profit targets. But stop loss, in that case, you can put somewhere back to this rising wedge. This will like really depend only on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. So if you want to have, let's say, better risk reward ratio, you can put, let's say, smaller stop loss, but then there is like higher risk of liquidation. So let's say we will choose the stop loss for, let's say, this possible setup like 4.48%. And the last take profit target, well, as I said, this is like pretty hard to tell, but personally I would set the last take profit target based on the risk reward ratio, and usually in these cases I'm using like risk reward ratio around 10, which is in my opinion pretty good, and also there is higher probability of that we will actually reach the last take profit target. So in this case you can definitely take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you will take on the risk reward ratio 4, then 6, then 8, and then on the last take profit target, which in the end will give you risk reward ratio, let's say around 7.5, yeah, something like that, which is pretty good for this long setup on the 1 hour chart. Another possible long setup will be valid if there will be again like a test of this support of this rising wedge. You can combine it with the short trade. Then there will be like a breakout test of this bullish order block, and then the price will go back above this support, and we will do a support confirmation here. The fake out here is extremely important because you can see that we are respecting this support for a like long time now. So there is like really a lot of liquidity under the support line. line. So once there is like a breakout, there will be like some liquidations, and if the price will go back and we will do support confirmation again, then there is pretty high probability that this coin can go, let's say, up again. Stop loss, in that case, you can put under the low that will trade during a fake out or under this bullish order block, because if the price will do, let's say, for example, something like this, and then there will be like a quick, let's say, price reversal, then you don't want to set the stop loss on the lower levels, because the risk reward ratio is not gonna be that good anymore. The last take profit target, well, you can use the same targets as in our previous trade, so there will be probably better risk reward ratio, but definitely take some of the profits, let's say at least like 30% of the whole position under this resistance of this rising wedge, because there is pretty high probability that there will be, let's say, a resistance confirmation and the price will go down again. So yeah, just keep in mind on that. If we want to take a look on the higher time frame, for example 12-hour chart, you can see that, as I said, we are in the price discovery phase under this, let's say, slightly important resistance, because on the 12-hour chart this resistance is not that important. And so, well, right now we don't have here any important supports or resistances, and there is like pretty good bullish momentum. So I think that the long scenario, once there will be like the breakout and support confirmation, can be, let's say, the best possible trade that we can have here. But keep like remembering that this coin is like super overbought like now, and there can be like a quick dump. So always have proper stop loss, because the risk reward ratio is the main thing that you need to watch if you want to be profitable in like a long run. But I think that if like certain conditions that I explained in this video will be met, then this coin will give us pretty good opportunities to open some trading positions. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing the analysis there every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But anyway, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!